Checking out this set of polyester embroidery thread. This is from Richword. This is 80 cones that are 800 meters, and this is 40 weight. Let's go ahead and open it up. This is the box that it ships in. Go ahead and open it up. So you can see that each of the cones has wrapped. There's a card here to indicate the different colors. Got some bright colors as well as some standard colors. Very similar but different. Numbered at the top with their codes. Looks like they've got a sticker on top with a piercing in it, so it can work on some of the machine stands. Each of these cones has 800 meters. Definitely a lot of colors in here. Looking forward to using this set with our embroidery machines. Hope this helps. I'd like to thank them for sending us this set to check out.